In this video guys, I'm going to show you step by step how I made $35,225 just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest. So this will be a quick tutorial for you guys. Step by step I will show you everything you need to start making some good money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. I will share with you which services I was promoting on Pinterest. I will show you how you can join Fiverr affiliate program step by step and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end if you want to make some good money with Pinterest affiliate marketing using Fiverr. Okay, let's get started. So what you will do first, for beginners who want to start, go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here. You just need to sign up by using an email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one over here, as you can see. So you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down. So just scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. Okay, and it's gonna take you to this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see over here. What you need to do, so you just need to click over here on join now. Okay, before we do that, let's scroll down to show you commission plan and how much you will earn. If you click over here on see commission, because they are really paying a lot of money, you can see commission plan. If we scroll down, you can see over here that you can earn up to $150. That's really a lot of money. If just one person buy service from your affiliate link, you can earn up to $150. Okay, if you scroll down, Fiverr CPA commission, those are other commission that you can check over here and get idea about how much you will make. Okay, as you can see over here, $50 for those services that will be related to graphic and design, data science, mobile apps, website development, and so on. Okay, so if just two person buy this service from your affiliate link, you will earn $100. It's really a lot of money. So let's go back to this Fiverr affiliate website, to this home page. Click over here on join now, and it's gonna take you to this page over here, as you can see, and the sign up process is super easy and simple. So you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. You will answer a few questions over here. Scroll down, choose your country and choose your language over here. And if you have Skype, you can use your Skype. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and answer next few questions, and that's it. It's really easy. As you can see, anyone can sign up. And after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr. Okay, go back to this home page. So now I'm gonna share with you which service you should promote on Pinterest if you want to earn commission. Click on the search for Pinterest marketing. Okay, so this is one of my profitable services that I was promoting on Pinterest to earn commission. So just search for Pinterest marketing, scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. So first, why I choose this service? Because people who are using Pinterest, they will be interested to grow their Pinterest account. So people who are using Pinterest, they will be interested to give this service a try and grow their Pinterest account. That's why I choose this service. Okay, so it's related to Pinterest. So if that makes sense, you need to choose specific services. You cannot choose any services. You need to choose specific services that people will be interested to buy. Okay, so what you will do next, you need to choose one of those sellers. So how we can choose good seller? So just make sure they are like level 1 seller or top rated seller or level 2 sellers. Those will be good sellers. Okay, so what you will do, so for example, this one over here is top rated seller. I will click on his service. I will choose this one Just click on his service, and as you can see, this person has a lot of orders in queue and people are using this service to grow their Pinterest account. Okay, so what you will do, you will copy this profile seller link. Just copy this profile seller link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Okay, click over here on marketing tools, click on default and dip links, then click over here and put this seller profile link here like this. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. It's easy and simple. What you need to do next is you just need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So let's go to Pinterest. So if you don't have an account on Pinterest yet, so let me show you. Just go to Google. Okay, for beginners who just want to start, go to Google, search for Pinterest like this, and click on the first link over here, and you just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is really easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, a lot of people are using Pinterest to promote affiliate links, digital products, physical products, Amazon affiliate links, and so much more. Okay, so you can get a lot of traffic from Pinterest. So what you will do, click on home feed, click on create pin. It will take you to this page. What you need to do is you need to upload a picture that describe your service. So what you will do, you will go back to this seller page, you will scroll down. If you click over here, you will get to this picture. Click on this picture and upload this picture to your laptop. So you can use this picture because you are just an affiliate marketer with Fiverr. You can use this picture. I'm gonna name it Pinterest like this. Save. I will go back to Pinterest and I will click over here and upload this picture to your Pinterest account. Okay, open, and it should be like this. Scroll down, you need to put your title, description, and your affiliate link. So what you will do, you will go back to this seller page on Fiverr. Okay, go back to his profile page, copy his title like this, go to Pinterest and put this title over here, description. Just go back to his profile page, scroll down. Okay, you should see about this gig. This is his description. I'm gonna copy just this part to show you, and go back to Pinterest, put this description here, scroll down. You need to put here your affiliate link. So what you need to do, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link. Okay, go back to Pinterest, put this affiliate link here, click on choose a board, and if you are new, click on create a board. You just need to give it a name and you can create as many as you want. So I already created a lot. I'm going to choose this one. Scroll down, you need to put here tags. Those are very important in Pinterest, so you can rank your pin in the first page of search results. Okay, so people who are using Pinterest to search for like how to grow your Pinterest account, they will find your pin in the search result if you are using those keywords. Okay, so what you will do, you will go back to this seller profile page, you will keep scrolling down, just keep scrolling down like this, and you should see related tags. Okay, so what you will do, you just need to copy those keywords over here. Okay, and go back to Pinterest and use those keywords here. Pinterest marketing, I'm gonna add promotion, so make sure to do all those keywords. Okay, after you finish, click on publish, and here you go, you just published your first Fiverr affiliate service on Pinterest, and that's how it should be like this. This is your picture, this is your affiliate link, this is your title, description, and that's how you can promote Fiverr affiliate services on Pinterest to earn money. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. Like this video and let me know in the comments if you want me to share more profitable services that I was promoting to earn commission. I can share with you all services. Just let me know in the comments, and see you in my next video.